He picked the wrong girl to corner, so he faced the consequences. At first, no one believed her. He was charming, smiled too much, always joking. But behind closed doors, different story. One party, one dark hallway. He followed her, thought she was another quiet, easy target. What he didn't know? She wasn't alone. Her friends were watching. One text sent. Within seconds, the hallway lights flicked on. Music cut, and standing behind him, her brother, her friends. Half the party. The room fell silent. His face? Pale. They didn't yell, didn't swing, just stood there. Cameras out, every exit blocked. The message was clear. Everyone sees you now. There's nowhere to hide. And your little game? Over. By Monday, his name was everywhere. His face? Known. His reputation? Done. Predators thrive in the dark, but the spotlight? It burns.